Just been attacked by a plover. Hang on, scope a bit more. I'm gonna get another attack in a minute. He's dangerous around here. Here he comes. He's coming out. Oh, where is he? He's coming. Nah. He's a bit worried about the tree. He's lining me up for in a minute. Hang on. Here he comes. Oh, nah. Did a last minute turn. Hang on. He's going to get me again in a minute. Here we go. Look out, Sesame. He's going to line me up. He's talking to his mates. Get him. Here we go. No. Oh. 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 Had a duck for that one. And again. Oh. The bastards. Hang on. They're going to go me again, I reckon. Here we go. Oh, geez. Nearly got Sesame then. Little bastards. There they are.